Hey, just a super quick video on something I kind of came across. Basically, I was going through old VHS video cassettes to try to find some stuff for Halloween because that's coming up. And on this actual cassette, I saw a little problem with it. It looks fine, like everything looks good on it, but when I opened it, I noticed that the tape was on the wrong side of the roller. So it tells me it's been opened before, and for whatever reason, when whoever put it back together, they did it wrong, and then it probably did not play. So just look for that. Like, that will take you 2 seconds to fix. It's a roller, quote unquote, but really the tape just slides across it because it should be like no friction. Just clean it with a little alcohol, let it dry, and then the tape will go right over it. To fix it, you'll literally just take out between 4 and 5 screws on the back. You'll have it popped open. You'll flip it, and then when you take the tape, you just put it around it, and then close it back up and seal it again. Just so you see what it looks like. I mean, you know what it looks like. A good one should probably look like, but you know, it's going to be on this side. So that's just a little thing to look for, because that 100% would have jammed, would have put strain on a VCR motor. It would have just been bad for your unit and the cassette itself. And they're not making VCRs anymore, so we don't need to prematurely kill one over such a silly oversight. So hopefully that little tip helps out. If you want me to actually make a video of me doing that, like just fixing it carefully, just put it down in the comments, or say I get like even 20 likes or something like that, I'll just go ahead and make that video. I'll take the time to do it, just step by step. So quick tip, and I hope you guys, if you have some old VHSs and you like that kind of standard definition look for Halloween and scary movies, definitely go through your old collection, pull them out, and enjoy some of those nostalgic moments. Maybe not necessarily this movie, something a little bit better, but go do it. It'll bring back some great memories, great moments, and I don't know, it's just something we can do. It's in our control. And I'm rambling, and I'm probably gonna block out this last part with my rant. So anyways, let me know if you want that one video. Bye.